Daddy. Look. Yeah, why are they in there? Yeah, there's all 6 of them. Yeah, why are they in there? Because they need to be charged. For now, for the day of the battle. Yeah, what the heck. Plus, they're all registered as your DNA. The bottle is Matthew's. The fork, the knife, and spoon's yours. The rocket ship's Totodile's. The dice is Centicoil's. The moon is no one's yet, and the lightning's going to be the baby's. Yeah, what the heck? Yeah, what the heck? Yeah, wait, it's a letter. What does it say, Daddy? Wait. Yeah, you've been invited to a dinner in your honor. Yeah, really? Wait, no, I read that wrong. Yeah, you've been invited to an anonymous meeting. Yeah, your host is unknown. Yeah, please come over. Yeah, really? You must bring all your friends. The Totodile, the Centicoil, and Matthew for this very special meeting. Yeah, what the heck? Because we trust you. Yeah, what the heck? Yeah, we have to go to this random place for a meeting. Yeah. Oh, great, Meow. I swear to God I didn't do anything this time. Daddy, did you rob a place this time? Yeah, I did. Go so sad. Oh. Yeah, so I have to go there, Meow, with you guys. Really? Road trip? Yeah. Where the heck are we? Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, it's the cops in town. Where? Yeah. What did I do this time? You didn't do anything this time, Meow. We just need your help. Yeah. What the Meow? Yeah. You're the ones who adopted them? Yep, we adopted these butterflies. Yeah, Officer Peaches. And her's in my butterfly. Yeah, if you have the twins. Yeah, for a stupid ice face. I heard that. I'm down here in the water. Yeah. And his in my butterfly. Yeah, if you have the boy. Yeah. Yeah, so now what are we going to do? We need your help. We need you to be the new chief of police. Yeah, what happened to the last one? I don't know what happened to him. None of us do. Yeah, did he die? Probably. I don't know. Yeah, that's terrible. So, we're just wondering if the dragon will like you. Yeah, if you're a dragon. Yeah. Because then you're the new one. Yeah, you're the new one. Oh, yeah, what's my first mission then? Our first mission do nothing right now because we haven't got any crimes in a bit. Yeah, baby got so boring, quit it. Yeah, why do you need my pets though? Because they will help you during these missions. They'll be your police gang. Yeah, we're all police now. You're part of the police when we really need you. Yeah, what the heck? So I'm the master of the police. Yeah, yes you are. You're leader now. Yeah, what the heck? That's all this meeting was about. Yes. Yeah, what the heck? So, we must go. Yeah. Oh, I guess I'm the only police officer with you guys for now. Daddy, I got my first job already. Yeah, I guess you did. Yeah, where's the runaway? Oh, fall down as a criminal. I just heard the alarm. Oh, crap. Yeah, but we don't. Yeah, do we even know what this guy looks like? Yeah, the Martian. Yeah, we go get him. Yeah, before he takes over the world. Danny, really? Yeah, let's go and get him. Yeah, why are we here? Oh, wait, yeah, that's where the criminal is. Yeah, Dad, look at the first criminal. Yeah, what's this? Yeah, you found him. Yeah, yeah, what do we do? Yeah, yeah. Hey, Dario hit my son! Yeah, but Dario hit my son! Yeah, how dare you! Yeah, you dirty, filthy criminal! Yeah, but Dario hit my son! How dare you! How dare you! Dario! Yeah, good dragon. Yeah, now let's go take him back into the prison. Yeah, this will be your new home for the next 20 years. Yeah, stay there. Yeah, but never come out. Yeah, or else I'll come there and beat you up. Daddy, come back. Yeah, fine. Yeah, oh, that was crazy. Yeah. I caught my first criminal. Yeah, they'll be so happy to hear that once they come back. Or if they come back. Yeah. Yeah, Daddy. Yeah. Been a great day. The end of this video.